Let's see this problem, group anagrams. Given an array of a string strs, group the anagrams together. You can return the answer in any order. So what is anagram? An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase using all the original letters exactly once. So that means each letter you have to use once, and whatever the word can be formed, you have to form. So like this here EAT, there are three letters E, A and T. So using this one, can be also formed and 8 can be also formed. So anagram of EAT, all these letters will be 8, EAT and T. In the same way for NAT and TN, same letters are there. And for BAT, there is only one anagram, so this is only BAT. So here input a string has been given. We have to print the output in the form of anagram list. Whoever, that means we have to form the group and print the list, okay, in the group of anagrams. If there is empty list, then nothing. If there is only one word, then that single word will be printed. So it's simple problem. Just see its code. I will take at first one dictionary. So mdict, this will be default dictionary, default dict, and I have to print in the form of list. Okay, so this default dict will be of list type. I will go inside this strings. So for I in strs. So at first, what I will do, I will sort each word like EAT. If I sort this word, at first A will come, then E will come, and then T. So AET. Like that, na, if we sort all the words, then same will be here also AET, and this one also AET. So we can consider that one as key, and these words will be its value. So I will take key equal to dot join sorted I. So this will be the key for it, AET. This is the key, okay. And for each key, I will append its value I. So this will be appended in the form of list here, mdict key dot append I. So for AET, its value will be appended what? 8, and T. In the same way for NAT, this will be ANT. So for that key, NAT and TAN value will be appended. Now this is the code actually. So we will print the list of this mdict.values, because we have to return only values. So see, for ABT key, its value will be VAT. For ANT key, its value will be NAT and TAN. For AET, its value will be 8, and T. Okay, just run this code. Accepted. Okay, submitted.